Hey, quick question before you scroll past. Have you ever turned on a new setup and instantly felt calmer, like everything finally caught up to your expectations? That's exactly what happened the first time you powered on the ViprTech Reaper 3.0. This is built for the kind of person who's tired of explaining why their system stutters, why settings need to be tweaked down, or why a simple task somehow feels heavier than it should. You're someone who notices when performance is held back, and once you notice it, you can't unfeel it. Before I go any further, check the current price and availability while it's still in stock, because machines like this don't always stay steady for long. You know that quiet moment when you realize it's time to upgrade? For me, it was when my old PC started sounding like it was negotiating for mercy during basic multitasking. Load times stretched. Games felt inconsistent. Even simple workflows had friction. You don't get angry at first, you just get tired. That's when you know you've outgrown compromise. The relief after switching is hard to explain until you feel it. Everything becomes predictable again. You stop thinking about what your system can't do and start trusting it to just keep up. That confidence changes how you sit at your desk, how long you stay focused, how much you actually enjoy using your setup. Day to day, this thing adapts to you. Gaming sessions feel fluid and controlled, even when things get intense. Editing and multitasking stop feeling like a balancing act. Long binge nights run cool and quiet. Even routine work feels smoother, like the system is always one step ahead instead of barely hanging on. It's not about staring at numbers. It's about how stable everything feels when you push it. No spikes of doubt. No hesitation when you Alt-Tab, stream, render, or stack workloads. Once you experience that level of responsiveness, going back feels impossible. Midway reminder: don't wait around for odd stock drops or sudden price jumps. If you're already considering it, future you will thank you for acting sooner. Now maybe you're thinking it's overkill, or that you could get by with something cheaper. But that mindset is exactly what keeps people stuck upgrading twice instead of once. The strength here is headroom. You're not buying just for today's needs, you're buying space to grow without anxiety. One thing that surprised me was how balanced everything feels. Power doesn't come with chaos. It runs composed, controlled, and confident, even under pressure. That calm performance is something you don't appreciate until you've lived without it. Owning something like this gives you a quiet pride. You don't brag about it, you just know you chose well. There's a different feeling when your setup doesn't ask for patience, excuses, or workarounds. It simply delivers. Everything feels fast without being frantic. You stop worrying about limits mid-session. Tasks flow instead of fighting back. Your setup finally matches your standards. You feel ready for whatever you throw at it. It's not the smallest footprint, and it's not the cheapest option you'll see, but those are trade-offs you stop caring about once you feel the difference. At some point, comparisons stop helping. You realize you're circling the same decision because you already know what you want. Don't let this turn into one of those upgrades you delay, only to regret every time your old system struggles again. Check the current price, see if it's still available, and make the call with confidence. When you're ready to move forward instead of settling, this is the kind of setup that makes that decision feel right.